Chantal is a Polish company specializing in the production of professional hair cosmetics. We create effective products based on our own original formulas. Such narrow specialization has given us expert experience in this field. From hair dyes to hair care and styling products, Chantal supplies a range of hairdressing essentials. For use at home, we have created Sesio Drugstore Cosmetics. We support our products with knowledge, which is why we run the Pro Salon Professional Academy. Here, in a space dedicated to education, that hairdressers and students of hairdressing schools can explore the secrets of their trade, learn the latest trends and techniques that are revolutionizing the industry. Pro Salon Professional Academy is our pride and the foundation of our philosophy of continuous development. Our research and development laboratory is a center of innovation. This is where advanced cosmetic formulations are developed. We test the effectiveness of our products using state-of-the-art trichology diagnostic equipment. We care a good relationship with our customers. We provide comprehensive information on our products. The high-standard production facility operates according to procedures certified by the International GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices standard. We offer production services for others. We provide comprehensive tailor-made solutions, from product concept to final form. We work with passion, and each product is the result of precise work and advanced technology. At Chantal, we believe that excellence is in the details. That is why every stage of production is important to us. Modern high-storage warehouse allows all deliveries to be made on time. It is equipped with the most advanced management software. Our products reach consumers in around 40 countries. We also participate in the largest trade fairs in Poland and abroad. Thanks to the excellent quality and effectiveness of Chantal Cosmetics, our customer base continues to grow. Chantal is not just a company, but a community of experts who share a passion for beauty.